What is good, YouTube? It's your girl Maya, and I'm back with another banger. So, if you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Maya, and I'm 20 years old. And if you're not new to my channel, welcome back. So, as y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title, I'm finna be opening iPhone 15 and a MacBook. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was kind of thirsty and I already opened my MacBook. So, we just gonna act like I ain't already opened it. But before we get started with this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. So, y'all, it is Christmas morning, y'all. Like, it's 7 o'clock. Well, 7:56, going on 8 o'clock. But it's December 25th, Christmas morning. And these are the gifts that I got that I love the most. So I'm finna be doing an unboxing video and just showing y'all what I got. And if y'all into all that tech stuff, this is not a tech channel. I'm just unboxing my stuff. So if y'all think this is a tech channel, y'all might as well go ahead, click off this video right now and go find a tech page, because this is not it. So yeah, let's get started. We gonna start with, I don't know which one. I don't know if I wanna, we're gonna start with the iPhone 15, y'all. I got, think, hold on, I gotta take my pictures first, y'all know. Yeah, I know. Let's open this up. Bro, I'm already dropping it. Like, but yeah. This gonna be my thumbnail, y'all. I look just like my mama. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Every day, I look more and more like my mama. But yeah, y'all, for the people that like that, for the people that like that ASMR stuff, this is for y'all. Hold on, I gotta get the thing open first. Hold on, we got one more. Y'all, look at it. Look at this, y'all. Y'all, look at this. What type of charge, bro? Yeah, what type of charger is this? Y'all, they steady wanting to change the charger, but y'all, just the phone though, like, look, y'all, it's the iPhone 12, this is the iPhone 15, like, I'm gonna go way bigger, like, yeah, I'm loving this color. I'm loving this color. Let's take off the top. We gotta turn it on first. Y'all, I'm so happy. Cause y'all ain't know how bad I needed a new phone. Like, I'm finna show y'all the back of my phone. Hello. Y'all look at the back of my other phone. Like, it was time for a new phone ASAP. But yeah, y'all, I am loving this. Let's go ahead and set up English, of course, United States. Do I want default, medium, or large? I'm gonna do default. I'm gonna do default. Quick start. Do I want it? I might change my number, so I really don't know if I want to switch everything to this phone. Do I? Yeah. So y'all, all I gotta do is put it on my phone and look, it's connected. So we waiting for so y'all, this might take a minute to set up. Like, I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm almost done setting it up. It's gonna take a minute. So we just go open the MacBook, cause I ain't gonna tell them how long that's gonna take. So, like I said, y'all, I already opened it, so I'm sorry. This ain't no real unboxing video, but okay, it is what it is. Y'all, I'm hot. Like y'all can see that I'm sweating, but y'all, I'm just in love with this MacBook, y'all. My boyfriend got me this. If your boyfriend don't invest in y'all, he don't love y'all for real. He got me this so I could read my videos, like, cause he, y'all, imagine me a businesswoman, just at work. So my boyfriend got me a MacBook, and my mama gave me the iPhone 15. Like, I'm just loving it. I'm just real life loved over here, y'all. But let me do this real quick, y'all. Let me set this up. Y'all, life is so great. Like now I really, like, this really, I'm not gonna lie down, this really just made me really start doing more videos on YouTube, cause like I got me a better phone where I can record my videos, like, better quality, and y'all see the MacBook, rose gold, same as my, well, not really, but my phone is, my phone, the MacBook, kind of matching, kind of. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing all my editing until I get me a camera. That's what I'm gonna be doing all my recording on. Yo, I'm so ready to, like, just edit my first video on here, cause I'm just ready. Like, I'm excited. I'm still, like, the charger for the iPhone 15 is really throwing me off. Like, and then that's it. They didn't even give me a piece for, I gotta use my other one. But like, why is it like this? Why? I feel like the regular iPhone chargers was better. Like, I don't know why they switched to this. Like, what was y'all point in switching to this? Y'all, my phone ain't never gonna be done if I don't stop turning it off. Like, but I gotta set up these cards real quick. So y'all, I got me a case. Got me a case too. I'm saying I like this better. This, it's hard, but yeah, I like this better. I see. But yeah, wallpaper. I couldn't find a wallpaper. I'm not gonna lie. I was looking for a wallpaper, but I couldn't find one. Yo, my new phone set up, and my daddy called me. So hold on. My daddy called me, interrupting my YouTube video. But y'all, this. Look, I got a fingerprint. I ain't even know MacBooks to do that. They raw, y'all. But I need to get me a case, cause if I break this, I'm gonna cry, and I just know my boyfriend gonna be mad, cause he said it. He said he just feel like I'm gonna break it. But I'm not. I'm gonna be very careful. But y'all finna put my case on, because if I break this, I'm really gonna cry, cause I can't, like, I just keep breaking phones. Like, I don't know why I keep. I'm finna get this one out so I can clear my screen. Cause this one got my screen protector in it. This one don't have a screen protector. Like, why y'all give me a screen protector? So I'm gonna put this case on, but I'm finna get this screen protector, put it on. I need to clean my screen real quick. I'm so like, what I just do with the screen? Yo, this is a black screen protector. I'm sorry if my notifications keep going off. It's this Instagram group chat. Like, they be texting non-stop. It's sticky, y'all. It's not supposed to stick yet. I ain't even got it all right. Why you stick it? Don't stick it. There you go. I feel like, I still feel like I put it on wrong, but I got them air bumps in my screen. I'm trying to get this to go away, y'all. I don't know how though, like, what I gotta do. I kinda did it, but it still got a little one down here. I be trying to make stuff look perfect. I don't know why. That's just how I am. I just feel like everything gotta be perfect. Like it has to. But Where is that cake? Oh, it's right here on my face. Y'all look for my case. Y'all love it? Y'all like my phone? Cause I do. I still gotta put these on, but I might just wait for that. I'm loving this. And I'm really loving this. My mom and my boyfriend did that thing for Christmas. I'm not even gonna lie. Cause what? Y'all enjoyed the video because this is the end of the video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned because these videos should keep coming. I can promise y'all that, because 2024 is going to be my year. Like by the end of 2024, I want to at least be at 50K subscribers, at least by the end of the year, next year. But yeah, I'm gonna do whatever I gotta do so my channel keep going, you know. But that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm bringing y'all everywhere with me. You feel me?